Today I will provide you with the most valuable information you need to know about MidJourney in less than 5 minutes. So let's get started. First, go to midjourney.com and open the Discord server. Then click on Newbies or open the MidJourney bot chat, and we're ready to start. Now, type a / and then imagine. And here's the best part. Some people might think that they can just type 2 words and wait for the magic to happen. But let me tell you something, MidJourney works best with detailed explanations. The more detailed your explanation is, the better your image will be. Let's take a look at different styles that MidJourney can generate, such as graffiti, painting, watercolor, etc. Then we'll move into different decades. MidJourney can generate images based on the decade you choose. It can also generate different emotions, such as happy, angry, etc., and be more detailed in terms of specific color and lighting. Last but not least, MidJourney can generate different environments. So, it's important to consider what you type into the prompt. Let me show you some examples that combine everything. We'll start with a basic prompt, such as man with a Lamborghini. As you can see, it randomly generates images based on my input. And now, let's go into depth with this prompt. Soft light happy man in New York with a green Lamborghini during the 1980s. The more detailed you get, the better results you will see. After the image has finished generating, 2 rows of buttons will appear. As you can see in the top row, U is for upscaling the image, and V is for versions of the image. If you choose V, MidJourney will generate 4 new images in the version you have already chosen. When you choose your image, you can easily download it to your computer. Now that we've covered the basics, it's time to take your MidJourney skills to the next level. If you have enjoyed the video so far, please make sure to hit the like button. It's time to show you some of the things you should input after the explanations. There are many of them, but I will share the most important ones. We'll start with the aspect ratio. The aspect parameter changes the aspect ratio of the generated image. An aspect ratio is the width-to-height ratio of an image. It is typically expressed as 2 numbers separated by a colon, such as 7:4 or 4:3. Next is chaos mode. It is a mode that can generate pictures from many different styles, so you can choose from different variations. Let me show you. This prompt has a low chaos mode, and this one has a large chaos mode. Another important thing is quality, which you can use for a more detailed version of the images. As you can see here, examples of low quality versus high quality are shown. The next one is stylize. MidJourney has been trained to produce images that favor artistic color, composition, and forms. This parameter influences how strongly this training is applied. Low stylization values produce images that closely match the prompt but are less artistic. High stylization values create images that are very artistic but less connected to the prompt. Another one is tile mode. This mode allows you to generate images that can be used as repeating tiles to create seamless patterns for fabrics, wallpapers, and textures. Lastly, we have versions, where you can choose between different versions of MidJourney. Now that we've covered some of the inputs after the explanations, let's dive deep into MidJourney's advanced skills. Let's get started with image prompts. These prompts allow you to combine 2 images and generate a new one based on your uploads. To upload an image, you can paste the link in the prompt or upload it to Discord using the plus icon, and then drag and drop it into the prompt. Let me show you an example. As you can see in this example, it combines 2 images into one and generates 4 new variations. The next one is multi-prompts. This feature is important because it allows you to separate different words in the prompt. Let me show you an example. If you type cupcake directly in the prompt, it will generate this. However, if you separate the words cup and cake, it will generate this. Additionally, you can make words more important, as you can see in this example. The word hot is twice as important as dog in the prompt because we added the number 2 before hot. Lastly, there is the permutation prompts feature. As you can see in this example, permutation prompts can create multiple versions of a prompt with different combinations of the given options. So if you input permutation prompts, it will generate you 3 or 4 variations with every of the parameters you've typed. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful in showing you how to use MidJourney and its various parameters to generate stunning images.